Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please.
let me hear you.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Let me tell you about this hair. Let me tell you about this hair. Do you see that? Melted. Do you see that? What lace? Sis. Let me tell you. I purchased this hair from Asteria Hair in November. So I had about 5 months now. And I got a 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch 13x6 frontal. And I absolutely love this hair. I absolutely love this hair, sis. I absolutely love this hair. And it's so amazing. It was so easy to work with. The frontal didn't give me any problems at all. Other than sewing it down, because I didn't know how to do it, because this is my first one, and obviously I went on YouTube to try to find out, but there wasn't a whole lot of people doing it at that particular time as far as making it into a unit. So I just did the best I can, and I honestly think it came out amazing. I really like this hair, and I cannot wait to purchase more hair from them. When I bought it, I think I paid I think it was like $245 or $250 or something like that. I'm not too sure, because it's been over 6 months, but I absolutely love this hair. You know, the versatility is there. Anything that you want to do with this hair, you can honestly do it. And when I first sewed it in, I only put 2 bundles in, and I think maybe like a month later, like December, or maybe like the first week of January, I just added 4 tracks, and this is what I have left from it. It was a body wave, if I didn't already say that, and I straightened it, and I absolutely love it. I haven't touched this hair ever since I did this wig, or I mean ever since I added 4 more tracks to it. So it still smells how it smelled when I first got it 5 months ago. So I'm going to insert some pictures somewhere over here where you could see the different hairstyles that I did with the hair. And if you're thinking about purchasing Asteria hair, I think you should go for it. I really do, because this video is not sponsored. I bought the hair and I absolutely love the hair, and I'm going to buy more hair from them because this hair is phenomenal. I want to try more of their textures. I'm thinking about like a water wave. I'm really thinking about a water wave. So I'm just watch out for that, because I'm going to be purchasing that very soon and making a unit from there. So yeah, man, if you guys purchase from there, let me know how you like their hair. Tell me what kind of textures that you tried or you want to try. Give me some suggestions other than the water wave, because I know I'm definitely going to do that. But I really do love this hair. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the family, the beauty family, right? We all gonna be looking good together. And hit that post notification button so you don't miss any uploads from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you in my next one.
Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me.